Imagine fresh vegetables growing in the middle of a bustling city. This is the promise of urban farming. Two innovative methods, hydroponics and aquaponics, make it possible. Both techniques allow us to grow food in places where traditional farming isn't feasible. These systems use less land and water compared to soil-based gardening. This makes them ideal for urban environments. Hydroponics involves growing plants without soil. Instead, plants get their nutrients from a water-based solution. This solution is carefully controlled to ensure the plants receive the right balance of nutrients. Aquaponics takes this concept a step further. It combines raising fish and growing plants in one integrated system. Fish waste provides a natural source of fertilizer for the plants. In turn, the plants help to clean the water for the fish. These two methods offer sustainable and efficient ways to bring fresh food to urban areas. Let's dive deeper into each system to understand their unique features. Hydroponics is like giving plants a direct IV of nutrients. In this system, plants are grown in inert mediums like coco coir or perlite. These mediums provide support for the roots, but do not contain nutrients. Instead, the plants receive all their nutrients from a water-based solution that is pumped through the system. This method offers several advantages. First, it eliminates the need for soil, which can be heavy and difficult to manage in an urban setting. Second, it allows for precise control over nutrient levels. This results in faster growth rates and higher yields compared to traditional farming. Third, hydroponics uses significantly less water. This is because the water is recirculated and reused, minimizing waste. However, hydroponics also has some drawbacks. The initial setup cost for a hydroponic system can be higher compared to traditional gardening. Additionally, hydroponic systems require electricity to power the pumps and lights, which can increase operating costs. Aquaponics mimics a natural ecosystem by connecting fish and plants in a mutually beneficial relationship. In an aquaponic system, fish are raised in tanks. Their waste products, rich in ammonia, are converted into nitrates by beneficial bacteria. These nitrates then serve as a natural fertilizer for the plants grown in a separate component of the system. This symbiotic relationship offers several benefits. First, it eliminates the need for synthetic fertilizers. This reduces environmental impact and cost. Second, aquaponics uses even less water than hydroponics. This is because water is only added to replace what is lost through evaporation or transpiration. Third, aquaponics allows you to produce both fish and vegetables in the same system. This provides a diverse and sustainable food source. However, aquaponics also presents challenges. It requires careful monitoring of water quality parameters like pH, temperature, and ammonia levels. Any imbalance can affect the health of both fish and plants. Additionally, aquaponics requires a reliable source of electricity to maintain water circulation and aeration. Section 4, Urban Farming Face-Off, Hydroponics versus Aquaponics. Both hydroponics and aquaponics offer promising solutions for urban farming, but which one comes out on top? The answer depends on your specific needs and resources. In terms of space, both systems can be adapted to small-scale urban environments. Vertical hydroponic systems can be stacked to maximize space utilization. Aquaponic systems, while typically larger, can be designed to fit on rooftops or balconies. When it comes to resource efficiency, aquaponics has a slight edge. It uses less water and eliminates the need for synthetic fertilizers. However, it requires more careful monitoring and maintenance compared to hydroponics. Ultimately, the best choice for you will depend on your goals, budget, and available space. If you're looking for a simple and efficient system with faster growth rates, hydroponics might be a better option. If you are interested in a more sustainable and self-sufficient system that produces both fish and vegetables, aquaponics could be the way to go. Section 5. Choosing the right system for your urban farm. Now that we've explored the ins and outs of hydroponics and aquaponics, let's consider some specific scenarios to help you determine which system might be best for you. If you are a beginner gardener with limited space and budget, a small-scale hydroponic system might be a great starting point. It's relatively easy to set up and maintain, and you can start seeing results quickly. Focus on fast-growing herbs and leafy greens for best results. For those with a bit more experience and a desire to create a closed-loop food production system, aquaponics offers a rewarding challenge. If you have access to a sunny rooftop or balcony and enjoy the idea of raising fish alongside your vegetables, aquaponics could be an excellent choice. No matter which system you choose, remember that both hydroponics and aquaponics offer sustainable and efficient ways to grow fresh food in urban environments. By embracing these innovative methods, we can bring the farm to the city and create a greener future for all.